if you want to block ads on your Samsung phone, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our biometric and security tab. So here on many models, many newer models, right, you have to find the receive marketing information option. By the default, it's enabled. Simply turn it off by tapping the toggle next to switch. This will prevent Samsung from sending you promotional emails, push notifications, and SMS messages. However, on some older models, as on mine, we do not have this option. So there is a way out of this situation, and we still can block any advertisement on our Samsung phone. So to do that, open up your connections tab. Then we're gonna scroll down to our more connection settings, choose your private DNS option, and here choose private DNS provider hostname. Here we gotta enter the following. So we are to enter DNS.adguard, right, .com, and we are to press save. Great. This is a free service that blocks sites without any additional cost, so don't worry about that. Now, if we're gonna try and open any website with an advertisement, so let's open Genius, for example. So open any website with the lyrics, right? And as you see on those places where there should have been advertisement, you'll see empty space. And basically that's it. If you have any problem with your internet after applying this DNS, we should open up our settings, open up our connections, scroll down to your more connection settings, and choose your private DNS option. Choose automatic or off, press save, and it should be back to normal. However, you'll have your advertisement. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.